Beautiful landscapes, the urban forest. The scenes are bucolic, but the pesticides many people use to keep their gardens and landscapes free of pests can cause problems in the environment. Even when applied with care, home and garden pesticides don't always stay put. Scientists have regularly found many of these chemicals in nearby streams and rivers at levels that may be harmful to fish and toxic to the tiny creatures small fish rely on for food. Most of the pesticide applied to a plant is absorbed by the plant's surface, absorbed onto soil particles, leached into deeper soil layers, or broken down by chemical reactions, microbial activity, or sunlight, reducing the chance or risk that they will end up in surface waters. So how do these chemicals get in our waterways? Pesticides are often washed off the property by lawn sprinklers or rain. Additionally, droplets of spray material may be moved off-site by air movement. This is called drift. Another way pesticides get into our waterways is by pouring them down the drain. From here, the pesticide-contaminated water can reach nearby streams, lakes, rivers, bays, and eventually the ocean. Is it possible that the small amount of pesticide that rinses off a yard can cause problems downstream? Multiply that 1 yard by the number of other yards receiving similar treatment in all the neighborhoods whose storm drains feed into the same waterway, and you can see the potential problem. Isn't the small amount of pesticide from my lawn going to be diluted by all that water in the rivers and streams to the point where it's harmless? Just how much pesticide does it take to make a fish sick anyway? The organophosphate insecticide chlorpyrifos is toxic to fish at concentrations of about 10 to 50 parts per billion. 10 parts per billion? That's equivalent to 10 aspirin tablets dissolved in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Bifenthrin, a pyrethroid insecticide commonly used in landscapes, is toxic to fish at concentrations about 100 times lower.